whisper behind my back. You can show me how the odds are up against me all day long, but I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Oh, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't.
Hi guys, it's cruise day. Sirius and I are possibly, I'm not gonna say definitely, but possibly are taking our last cruise of 2022. We will be on Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas from Monday to Friday, round trip Port Canaveral. We just received a letter that due to the weather, we have had an itinerary change. We were supposed to do Nassau, perfect day, a sea day, and then return home. But because of the weather, we will be doing Nassau and 2 sea days, and then we'll be returning home. Okay, so guys, check this out. When we got out of the truck, I forgot to look at the actual time, but I want to say, don't quote me, but this is real close. We got out at about 10:15. We are now through security and fully checked in and sitting in the suite lounge waiting to board the Independence of the Seas. And it is now 10:39. The rep that checked us in said that we will probably be boarding by 11 o'clock. And that's like a 21-minute wait. So we are definitely ahead of schedule. I am super duper happy. Even though we do have a itinerary change, I am always cool with that, because when you cruise, especially during hurricane season, you have to come in with an open mind and realize and understand that there can be an itinerary change to keep both passengers and crew safe. We are now getting ready to board the Independence of the Sea. 5-day, 4-night, 1-stop Royal Caribbean sailing round trip Port Canaveral. As always, the boarding process for Port Canaveral is very simple and painless. Especially since at this point, you don't even have to show any type of testing, and the only questions they ask is if you are vaccinated, and they are using the honor system.
You can show me how the odds are up against me all day long, but I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Oh, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going. beyond. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Though my feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going now. You turn it back around. Can't stop me. Oh yeah, can't stop me now. No, 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 you can't stop me.
And just like that, guys, Mr. Aerial Drone and I are here on the Royal Promenade deck of the Independence of the Seas. We are just trying to fill out the lay of the land since this will be our home for the next 5 days.
I can never get over on how when you walk through this, it's like a whole different city. You're looking at like, wow.
And as you see, we have made our way to the main dining room. We just wanted to give you a quick panoramic view of what the main dining room is looking like here aboard the Independence. Mr. Aerial Drone and I usually opt for the My Time dining, which normally takes place on deck 4, and your traditional dining times are usually on decks 3 and 5.
I'm ready to eat now.
What do we say, 11? Okay, so guys, so far everything is going wonderfully well. We did go to the Star Lounge to try to get the safety drill completed, but they are not quite ready for us. So we're gonna run up to the Windjammer and have some lunch.
My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at. Ain't turning back around. Can't stop me. Can't stop me now. No, 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 you can't stop me now. Calm before the storm. You know what's coming, so be warned. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Though my feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going now. You turn it back around. Can't stop me. Oh yeah, can't stop me now. No, 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 you can't stop me. You can't stop, no, you can't stop me. No, 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 you can't stop me now.
Hi guys, Mia from Mia's World, and welcome to our channel. Today, Sirius and I have boarded the Independence of the Seas. We are leaving out of Port Canaveral today. Itinerary change has already been made. We were supposed to do Monday, embarkation, Tuesday, Nassau, Wednesday, perfect day, Thursday, sea day, and Friday we return back here at Port Canaveral. But due to the storm, we are only going to do Nassau, Bahamas and have 2 sea days. And today, normally, Sirius and I are usually in a junior suite. And on this particular sailing, we chose to do something totally different, totally out of our norm. We are in a Ocean View Panoramic Suite. On the Independence of the Seas, there are two of them, and both of them are forward. It is a 2-bedroom suite, bath and a half, sitting room, and no balcony, but floor to ceiling windows. Come along. Okay, so guys, again, today's suite is a ocean view panoramic suite, no balcony, stateroom 1854 forward. Again, we have floor to ceiling windows. We have a Royal King configuration. Our wardrobe extends from here all the way to here. One thing about this stateroom, we have minimum plugs. All your plugs are in your desk area. We have a nice size television that flips to watch as you're in the bed, and as you see, it rotates so it can be watched as you're in the sitting room. Your sitting room also has a pull-out couch, a seating area with 2 chairs, your standard desk area, which include your standard drawers, shelving, more storage along with a safe, more storage at the bottom, and of course your in-room cooler. And just as the other suites, this suite also comes with the Lavazzo coffee maker. And for those of us ladies that want to make sure that we are gorgeous before we step out for the evening, floor to ceiling mirror. The Ocean Panoramic Suite also comes with a bonus room, 2 bunk beds, along with a closet with shelving. Okay. Continuing on, we have our standard bathroom, stand-up shower, toilet, sink. We have storage on the right side and minimum on the bottom. And again, we have another bonus area, which is a second bathroom with just a sink and toilet configuration. And guys, there you have it. Today's room is an ocean view panoramic suite, stateroom 1854 forward, here on the Independence of the Seas. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. think we're gonna hit Johnny Rockets this time? It's not the guest quarters. It's not the. Oh, we can go through here. Oh, okay. Now you know I'm gonna have to beat you up on Pac-Man, right?
Bring it.
Okay. All right.
Pulling you back.
All right.
Over here.
Now,
Come on.
oh, it's closed now. But just know we'll be back.
Oh, okay.
We'll be back.
For kids, it's way down this floor.
Okay.